Welcome to Academy of English Excellence. In this lesson, we will explore one of the most important topics in English grammar, determiners. Determiners are words that come before a noun to identify it, limit it, or describe it. They help answer questions like which one, whose, how many, or how much. By the end of this lesson, you will understand all major types of determiners with clear and simple examples. Let's begin. 1. Articles. Articles are used to refer to specific or general nouns. For example, a book,
a car,
a teacher, an apple, an egg, an umbrella, the sun, the moon, the teacher, the building. 2. Demonstrative determiners. Demonstratives show which noun is being referred to. For example, this book, this chair, this house, that car, that dog, that tree, these books, these students, those cars, those houses. 3. Possessive determiners. Possessive determiners show ownership. For example, my book, my phone, your car, your house, his bike, her bag, its tail, our school, their garden, their children. 4. Quantifiers. Quantifiers show quantity or amount. For example, some water, some books, many students, much money, few people, little time, several cars, enough food, plenty of room, a lot of work. 5. Numbers, numeral determiners. These show exact quantity. For example, 1 book, 2 cars, 3 students. For houses, 5 apples, 6 chairs, 7 days, 8 months, 9 pencils, 10 teachers. 6. Distributive determiners. Distributives refer to individual members of a group. For example, each student, each book, every child, every house, either answer, either road, neither option, neither team, each participant, every teacher. 7. Interrogative determiners. These are used in questions. For example, which book, which car, which student, what color, what language, what time, whose bag,
whose phone,
whose jacket, which house. 8. Predeterminers. Predeterminers come before other determiners. For example, all the students, all my friends, both the cars, both my brothers, half the cake, half the money,
such a day,
such an opportunity, what a surprise, rather a problem. 9. Ordinal determiners. Ordinal determiners show order or position. For example, first prize, second place, third chapter, fourth lesson,
fifth student,
sixth floor, seventh day, eighth month, ninth question,
10th attempt.
10. Cardinal determiners. Cardinal determiners show exact number. For example, 1 cat, 2 dogs, 3 books,
for chairs,
5 houses, 6 pens, 7 players, 8 trees, 9 computers, 10 teachers. Here is a quick summary of determiner types: articles, demonstratives, possessives, quantifiers, numbers, distributives, interrogatives, predeterminers, ordinals, cardinals. All of these help us give clear meaning to nouns in English. Here is a sentence using multiple determiners. All my 3 new books are on the table. In this sentence, all is a predeterminer. My is a possessive determiner. 3 is a numeral determiner. Thank you for learning with Academy of English Excellence. If you enjoyed this lesson and want to continue improving your English, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us create more high-quality lessons for learners around the world. See you in the next session.